Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add doll clock widget on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold on screen. You will see. So click on widgets. Now here scroll down. So if you want to add doll clock widget, so click on clock. You will see. So select doll clock widget from here. So after select clock widget and click on add, you will see doll clock widget is add. So after the process, click on screen. You will see doll clock widget is add. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add doll clock widgets on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.